At this point, I was looking the boat over. This is the first day that I actually got to see her in person. Pretty dirty, a lot of old stuff, but it is what it is.
Oh yeah.
So then when I returned the next time, then I wanted to actually get her out of the water, so I rented a lift for a short time and pulled her out. This is some of the video of that.
Come on.
Didn't get any video of looking the bottom over, but we'll skip past that and go to putting her back in the water here.
This is on retort prosperity set. Smile, you're on candid camera. That big bulb on the bottom of it, down there, that's where all the ballast is. That's where all the weight's at. That thing's about 4,000 pounds. That's what holds her upright.
After being put back in the water, now it's time to do the paperwork, and here we go with the sail home. This is pretty uneventful here. This was just motoring out across Tampa Bay heading towards the Sunshine Skyway. We'll zoom past some of this here. Still motoring. Well, at least we got a good long run time to make sure it runs good, which is a good thing. Now we're getting a little bit closer to the bridge itself, and we'll speed up past this and get underneath here. Once underneath the bridge, we came across this gentleman right here. It's a rather large dinghy. So day 2 on our journey home, this is where we woke up. Good old St. Pete Beach. One of them. This was the second night on the way home. We stopped off by Honeymoon Island, or 3 Rooker Island is where we're actually anchored out. Water got a little bit rough. The rougher it is, though, the better I sleep, so I slept pretty good that night. My poor wife, she didn't do so good. But all in all, it was a good evening there. Not very many storms, just a lot of waves. The next morning, though, was really cool. Gina was down in the V-berth sleeping, and I got a chance to sit and watch these guys here that ran with us for probably about 30-40 minutes. Beautiful animals. It's a lot of fun sitting up there nice and quiet. You can actually see here and there they're rolling over and just kind of looking up at me. I had the phone hanging over the side of the bow, just videoing away. Later on in the day, caught a little bit of breeze and just kind of started sailing. You can see those ugly white boxes up there. They're horrible. It obstructs a lot of view. You can see off to each side like that, but pretty much nothing in the middle. You can also see how this umbrella canvas is coming off the bottom of the headsail. So unfortunately, that's pretty much all the video that I could find. This right here is moving her from where she was down to Crystal River, where we have her now. And after some work, this is what she's starting to look like now. Took the boxes off so you can actually see what you're looking at. The deck cleaned up pretty good. Still working on some running rigging. Standing rigging's all good on her. Nice and open, you can see what's coming at you at least. So, and this is what she pretty much looks like now. Still a lot of work to do. Got a little while yet before we pull her out and redo all the paint and everything. I want to try to at least get the top side painted, and still got some plumbing work, some electrical work. But all in all, she's pretty solid. No leaks, so to speak. Other than a little bit of rain through a hatch, and we've been working on that here the past week. Stay tuned. I'll try to get some more video and start doing some stuff on maintenance, and maybe actually get her out and sail her here coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and by all means, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Take care now.